About that. I'm not a believer of I think that she snores in the wallpaper. Oh, never mind. The paint gets peeled off the walls. We should check. Do you see that little spot up there?
Yeah.
See that little spot up there? Can you see it right here? Let's see. This is the insurance. This is what your mom did. She was snoring in a bedroom, and there was a picture on here, and this is what happened. The picture was on here like this, and your mom went.